Hello, welcome back. Let's repair iPhone XR. Let's change iPhone XR battery. So let's go into the battery. In the battery health, you'll find it's 81%. So let's shut down this phone first. And of course, we need to open the bottom screws first. So just take out both screws. The one is done and the other one is almost done. So the both are done here. So let's put the plier on the left bottom corner. Lift a little bit up. Be careful because the screen gonna break if you put some extra pressure on it. So be gentle, try to pull up a little bit and keep going a little bit on all edges. So on this one, just pull up. Here we go, open like book style. Here's you'll find the battery. So no need to disconnect the screen if you're professional enough. So just take out those 3 screws. The one you need a Y screwdriver to do this, so just remove those things first, and let's put the rubbing alcohol while I'm doing the other stuff. So disconnect take out the metal plates, disconnect the battery. So here is a battery tool, so you have to be careful. Don't use any sharp object while you're changing the battery. So here we go. So the little bit up, you'll see this is see, it is less. Just push up a little bit and you see it is leaving its place. And here we go, the on top is disconnected from the thing. Here is the other one. So here is the new battery, and this battery is already programmed. It's a premium battery, although it's aftermarket, but you can see the battery health, and it's come with the adhesive tape. So let's unbox this battery first and remove this packing. And here we go, it already has a tape inside, so there is still a sticky tape. So I'm going to use that tape for this battery. So let's connect the to the motherboard first before placing into the back housing. So it's time to put the, here we go, it's time to put the connector back. This is a metal piece, and by the way, this is uncut video. So as you see, it's very easy to if you know how to do that, it's very easy. And there is a second, there's second, and this one is third one. So the all screw are connected. So let's turn on and make sure it's working before final close. So it's turning on, which means the battery is properly connected. It shows the Apple logo. So you just need to put the bottom screwdrivers on the bottom screws on both. So just put the bottom screws, use this pentalobe screwdriver to tie it, and you are good to go. If you like that video, thumbs up, and if you want me to fix some kind of cell phone, I will try to do that for you. Let me know in the comments. Thank you.